fast. Cough and flu got you down. Ooh, coughs and flu are going around. Feeling miserable? Here's what you can do. Here's tip number 1, bestie. First, rest. Give your body time to heal and hydrate. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or warm broth. Next, tip number 2, symptom relief. Relieve your symptoms with over-the-counter meds, cough drops, or a warm salt water gargle. Important reminder, prevention and when to see a doctor. Wash your hands often to prevent spreading germs. If your symptoms worsen or you have a fever, see a doctor. Get well soon. Follow for more health tips. Life Proud with you. Wishing you a speedy recovery. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.